My topic is search engine optimization, SEO, and detail explain, and let's go to the topic and let's go to the start. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the practice of optimizing a website or online content to improve its visibility and ranking in search engine results pages, SERPs. The ultimate goal of SEO is to attract organic, non-paid, traffic to a website by making it more relevant and authoritative in the eyes of search engines like Google, Bing, or Yahoo. Key components and techniques of SEO include keyword research, identifying and researching the keywords and phrases that users commonly search for in relation to your content, products, or services. On-page SEO, optimizing individual web pages to make them more search engine friendly. This includes using relevant keywords in titles, meta descriptions, headers, and content, as well as optimizing URL structures, image alt tags, and internal linking. Off-page SEO, building the website's authority and reputation through external factors, such as backlinks from other reputable websites, social media signals, and online mentions. Technical SEO, ensuring that the website is crawlable and indexable by search engines. This involves addressing issues like site speed, mobile friendliness, sitemaps, and robots.txt files. Content creation, producing high-quality, valuable, and relevant content that resonates with the target audience and encourages organic sharing and linking. User experience, UX, creating a positive user experience by making the website easy to navigate, mobile-friendly, and fast-loading, as user experience is an important factor in search engine rankings. Local SEO, optimizing a website to rank higher in local search results, particularly for businesses with physical locations or those targeting a local audience. Analytics and monitoring, using tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console to track website performance, identify areas of improvement, and measure the effectiveness of SEO efforts. It's important to note that SEO is an ongoing process, and it may take time to see significant results. As search engines update their algorithms and user behavior changes, SEO strategies need to adapt and evolve to maintain and improve search rankings. SEO is an essential aspect of digital marketing as it helps businesses increase their online visibility, drive organic traffic, and reach potential customers who are actively searching for products or services they offer. Search engine optimization, SEO, refers to the practice of optimizing a website and its content to improve its visibility and ranking in search engine results pages, SERPs. The goal of SEO is to increase organic, non-paid, traffic to a website by ensuring that it appears higher in search engine rankings for relevant queries. Search engines, such as Google, use complex algorithms to determine the most relevant and valuable content for a given search query. SEO involves optimizing various aspects of a website to align with these algorithms and improve its chances of ranking higher in search results. Some key elements of SEO include keyword research, identifying relevant keywords and phrases that users are likely to search for when looking for information related to a website's content. On-page optimization, optimizing various on-page elements of a website, such as meta tags, title tag, meta description, headings, URL structure, and content, to make it more search engine friendly and relevant to the target keywords. Off-page optimization, building high-quality backlinks from other reputable websites to improve the website's authority and credibility in the eyes of search engines. This includes techniques such as guest blogging, influencer outreach, and content promotion. Technical SEO, ensuring that the website has proper indexing and crawlability, optimizing site speed, using structured data markup, and addressing any technical issues that may hinder search engine bots from crawling and indexing the site effectively. User experience, UX, providing a seamless and user-friendly experience on the website, including easy navigation, mobile friendliness, fast loading times, and engaging content, all of which contribute to better user experience and higher rankings. Content optimization, creating high-quality, valuable, and relevant content that satisfies user intent and incorporates target keywords naturally. This includes optimizing content structure, formatting, and using appropriate multimedia elements. Analytics and monitoring, using tools like Google Analytics and Search Console to track website performance, monitor keyword rankings, analyze user behavior, and make data-driven decisions for ongoing optimization. It's important to note that SEO is a long-term strategy that requires continuous effort and adaptation as search engine algorithms evolve. By implementing effective SEO practices, businesses can increase their online visibility, attract more organic traffic, and improve their chances of reaching their target audience. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the practice of optimizing a website, web page, or online content to improve its visibility and ranking in search engine results pages, SERPs. The ultimate goal of SEO is to increase organic, non-paid, traffic to a website and attract relevant users who are searching for information, products, or services related to the website's content. Keyword research, identifying relevant keywords and phrases that users commonly use to search for content related to your website. This research helps in understanding what topics and terms to target with your content. On-page optimization, making adjustments to the website's structure, content, and HTML code to make it more search engine friendly. This includes optimizing meta tags, title tags, meta descriptions, using relevant keywords and content, improving page load speed, and ensuring proper internal linking. Content quality and relevance, creating high quality, valuable, and relevant content that aligns with users' search intent. Search engines reward websites that offer valuable information and solutions to users' queries. Link building, acquiring high-quality inbound links from other reputable websites. Backlinks are an important ranking factor, and they indicate to search engines that your content is trustworthy and authoritative. Mobile optimization, ensuring that your website is optimized for mobile devices, as search engines prioritize mobile-friendly sites in their rankings due to the increasing use of mobile devices for online searches. User experience, UX, providing a positive user experience by making navigation easy, improving site structure, and reducing bounce rates. Search engines favor websites that keep users engaged and satisfied. Technical SEO, optimizing technical aspects of a website, such as site speed, crawlability, indexing, and XML sitemaps, to help search engines understand and index your content effectively. Local SEO, for businesses with a physical presence, optimizing their online presence to appear in local search results, including Google My Business listing and local citations. SEO is an ongoing process and requires continuous monitoring and adjustment based on search engine algorithm updates and changes in user behavior. It's essential to stay up to date with the latest SEO trends and best practices to maintain and improve search visibility and organic traffic over time. SEO, when done effectively, can lead to increased brand visibility, organic traffic, and ultimately, higher conversions and revenue for businesses. Search engine optimization, SEO, refers to the process of improving a website's visibility and ranking in search engine results pages, SERPs. The goal of SEO is to optimize a website's content, structure, and design to make it more attractive to search engines and ultimately drive organic, non-paid, traffic to the site. On-page optimization, this involves optimizing individual web pages by improving the content, meta tags, headers, and URLs. Keyword research and optimization, as well as creating high-quality, relevant content, are key components. Off-page optimization, it focuses on building high-quality backlinks to a website from other reputable websites. This helps improve a website's authority and reputation, which can positively impact search engine rankings. Technical SEO, this involves optimizing the technical aspects of a website, such as site speed, mobile friendliness, crawlability, and indexability. It aims to ensure that search engines can easily crawl and understand the website's content. Local SEO, it focuses on optimizing a website to appear in local search results. This is especially important for businesses targeting specific geographic areas. User experience optimization, this involves improving the overall user experience of a website to keep visitors engaged and encourage them to stay longer on the site. Factors such as site navigation, page load speed, and mobile friendliness are considered in this optimization process. SEO is a long-term strategy and requires ongoing monitoring, analysis, and adjustments to stay ahead of competitors and adapt to search engine algorithm updates. Implementing SEO best practices can help increase organic traffic and improve the visibility and ranking of the website. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe the channel.